Well, hello Nancy. I just thought I'd have a look through this drawing that you sent, because looking at this PDF that your client has sent you and the way that you did it in Callidus, you know, by digitizing all these different bits in as separate rooms, I think there is a simpler way. So I just wanted to show you how you could approach this. One thing I would say is that if you look at this drawing here, what you've got is all of this area here is using exactly the same repeating grid. You know, you've got a 1 meter square bit which looks like a 25 centimeter corner bit and a 25 by a meter strip there. These sections here, which are different, they don't have the horizontal strips. I think we'd handle those by actually cutting them out and then putting a different material in there. But just in this example, what I wanted to do is to show you, we'll ignore those bits and just show you how I could recommend you tackled this. If I switch over to Callidus, and I've put a couple of things in today which I think will help on this. Let's just bring this up, and I've created a script here which, if we look at this like that, what we've actually got is a 25 centimeter square tile here, a 1 meter by 25, and then a 25 by 1 meter and a 1 meter bit there. And then if I set the repeat properly, you should see you get that complete grid flowing over, which is physically the same as all of that. So when you put that into a room, what you get instantly is physically the same as this. But now what we want to do is to do some painting. Now if we bring this up, I'm just going to do it with colours, but you could easily do it with images just as well. So in this case, what I'm going to do is to wait a minute, I'll just go back here, and I'm going to, in the script, look at that one and put that colour yellow. That's right. So I'm just going to put the horizontal and vertical strips as yellow and that one as green, just so that we've got some different colours to work with. Again, ignore the actual colours here and imagine that these are actually, we could actually put in the image graphics here. Okay, so I'll re-quantify that. We've got some colours in. Now when you look at this layout, you can see that it's really quite simple, because you've got this colour running down here, this sort of light, what would you call it, fawnish colour there, a dark grey there, the same one there, a light grey, a brown. So it's running all the way down, and then you get horizontal strips across here. So let's just pick a colour here. We'll go for orange, and I'm going to go down here. Okay, so that's done that column. Then we'll do 3 columns across. Now at the moment I'm having to do this manually, but even manually I think you'll find that it's going to be vastly faster than what you're doing at the moment, and if it really works out well, then I think we can easily automate some of this as well. So I've changed the colour. Now I'm going to run down the second column here, and you can see that again we're building up a similar kind of layout to this. Oops. Sorry about that. I think I've got myself. Here we are. Let's go back over to there. So I'm just going through here, and what you'll notice actually is when I'm doing this line drawing is if I click on the big tile and draw the line, it only paints the big tile. All the bits in between are left in their original colours. So it's just a slight modification of the way we've done the line tile, the line painting thing, that if you've got these sort of design work, you click on the tile you actually want to colour and drag it across, and it'll ignore all the smaller bits in between. So let's just keep going. Right, now if we go back over here, we can see we've got some horizontal lines as well. So I'm going to do the horizontal lines in this orange. So I'll pick the orange, pick the line, go across there. Whoops, I think I've got that wrong. No, that's it. Okay, and now again, if you look on here, occasionally they've got these feature bits in here of a different colour. So again, we can go back over here and just click on a few of those wherever you want them. And again, some places they put, if you look in here, they've got a few reds and a few switchings of colour here as well. So I think fairly soon you'll have got the hang of what I'm trying to explain here. So in other words, I've missed one off there. That should be that colour. So I've spent a few minutes here just knocking that up. Right. Just playing around with this drawing here, and you can see that I've got something similar to that. And I think with a bit of refinement we could do it. We could improve on this as well. Ooh, excuse me. Got a cough at the moment. So that's how I would approach it, and I think you'll get a better result and a lot quicker result than the way you're doing it at the moment. So let me know what you think of that, and hope you like it. Cheers, bye bye.